if your AOC monitor's OSD or on-screen display is locked. Don't worry. Here's how you can unlock it in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Look at the front or bottom panel of your AOC monitor. You'll see a few control buttons like Menu, Source, Up, Down, and Power. Step 2. Press and hold the Menu button for about 10 to 15 seconds. Keep holding it, even if nothing happens at first. Step 3. After holding the button, you'll see a small message appear on screen that says OSD unlocked. Step 4. Now press the menu button again, and you'll be able to access all settings normally. Bonus tip: if you ever see the message OSD locked again, just repeat the same process. Hold the menu button for 10 to 15 seconds to unlock it. That's it. Your AOC monitor's menu is now unlocked and ready for use.